Hunky Dory has done something very unique, and they have a his and a her collection. Now these are they're calling them the Paramount Topper collection on each one. Each of them will make 48 centerpieces is what they're saying. So bear with me. Let me walk you through this. I'll show you each of them, but we'll focus first on the his, just because I have it on my right side. So there are suggestions and ideas right here on the insert. And then you're going to get 2 of each one. So I'm just going to show you just the variety. And so what you get is an image, and then there's also, in this case, there's a square in the middle of it. You pop that out, so this large piece goes first, then this piece also has a square in it. You're going to pop that out. So you're going to have 4 layers. So the first one goes down, then this one, and then the smallest one. And it builds up like a pyramid. You simply match the art as you're foam taping each layer in place. Now, in addition, you can see that this sheet has 3 different images, all kind of masculine. It also has some greetings, and so that's nice. Have a wild day, thinking of you, you're my number one, so that's fun. Now again, you get 2 of these. Now this is with some joysticks, as well as a vintage airplane and a very strange little monster. In fact, the greeting says, "To a little monster, big hugs." So let your dreams take flight. You're my favorite gamer. Very fun. So lots of different people that you might want to make this for. So a whole variety of sports, an old engine, as well as woodworking, and again, more of the greetings. So we've got the remote control cars, we've got music, we've got fishing, we have presents, we have owls, we have a very cute little bunny, and a deer, again, golfing, and we've got some balloons, so that would be for any celebration. We've got an old car, we've got some Barbara things, as well as a cute little scarecrow, and a little teddy bear enjoying a book and some sudsy something. And then we've got a cottage and music. So all of these, and again, like I said, you get 2 of each in the collection. Now, to go with it, as you might expect, there will be a set of adorable scorables. So here is this. You're going to get, as you would expect, 30 different sheets. You're going to get 10 colors, and you're going to get 3 of each one. So these are to coordinate with those toppers. And as I said, that collection is slightly different than what we've seen from Hunky Dory before. So all of these colors are going to work beautifully with it. So let me now show you well, you know, I think you're wondering, but what about papers? Well, they do have an answer. In fact, they have a couple of fun answers. It's called a Hunky Dory colored insert paper. This has 48 sheets, so there's 4 sheets of each one. Now, inserts are, as you can see, it's an A4 size, and these are kind of a model background, so they're going to work with many themes. In fact, you can use these lots of places. Although they're called inserts, certainly feel free to use it on the front of your card or on the inside, whatever you like. So the green, the blue, and I'll just flip through these. As you can see, all the colors. Very useful, I think, for a lot of different seasons and reasons. And you can just see just a lot of variety here. And as I said, there are 12 colors, and you're going to get 4 of each one. Now, there's something else in this collection that you may be wondering right now before I get into the hers, and that is, well, when this builds up a 3D focal, how are you going to put it? What are you going to put it in? Well, Hunky Dory has an answer. Their answer is fancy foiled aperture cards. As you know, an aperture card is an opening, and what this has is 12 cards. Now they're all foiled, everything that's in here. There are 12 of them that measure 5 by 7 inches. The foiling is in gold and silver. Silver here, gold here. You can see the oval. Then there is a rectangle, gold and silver, give you that flash of foil. A circle, and you get matching envelopes. So that's nice, and that's for 12 cards. Then we also have 6x6 cards. It's scored right here. And again, these apertures just pop out. So you get the foiling on the outside of the frame and also this piece that's going to pop out. So that's nice. So again, you're going to get gold and silver in foil. You're going to get that square. You're going to get this label shape, gold and silver. You're going to get this scallop circle, and you're going to get matching envelopes. So this is fun. So as that pyramid is made, you have a place to put it. And the inserts are going to be perfect for the inside of the card. See, everything's coming together. And of course, the adorable scoreable solid cardstock is going to work perfectly. Okay, so kind of have how everything is going to coordinate. Now let's get to the hers. Now the hers are the same idea. They are the pyramid, so it's going to be that 4 layers. This too will make 48 centerpieces is how they're framing it. And just let me show you all of the variety. You saw the variety in the his. The same variety happens here. Thought it was fun to have the cupcakes and some butterflies. We've got music. We've got cute little puppy and flowers. Again, you're going to get 2 sheets of every single one. Here we have cameras, dream catcher. We've got a teacup full of flowers. We have the nautical, the sewing, as well as that cute little rabbit or pair of rabbits, the bicycle, the unicorn, a kitty with flowers. If we're going to have a puppy, we're going to have a kitty. You can see the beautiful flowers, dolphins, the 2 friends. And we've got the music box, the tea and books, and just a beautiful bouquet of flowers. Again, you get the greetings, so just for you, special girl, and just to say you're my type of friend, wishing you every happiness, time flies with you. So really, really nice. Everything is foiled. And I think it's a really fun collection that you can get the things that match. For the hers, we also have an adorable scoreable collection, and you would imagine the colors that are going to be in this. So again, 30 sheets, 10 colors. You're going to get 3 of each. And let me just fan these out so you do get a look at each one. And there we go. So we have his and hers. We have matching adorable scoreable. We have some really pretty inserts. And we also have these fabulous aperture cards that are good for not only this collection, but I bet you're going to find a lot of ways to use this. All of this from our friends at Hunky Dory.